Here's how to create a rule in Outlook to automatically move emails to a specific folder. First, make sure the destination folder already exists in your sidebar. If not, create one by hovering over Folders, clicking the three dots, and selecting Create New Folder. Now find an email from the sender you want to create a rule for and right-click on it. Select Rules, then Create Rule from the drop-down menu. A window will appear where you can set your conditions. For example, choose From to target emails from a specific sender, or Subject Contains to target emails with certain words in the subject line. Under the Do the Following section, check Move the item to folder and select your destination folder from the list. You can also check Run this rule now on messages already in the inbox to apply it to existing emails immediately. Click OK, and your rule is active. From now on, any email that matches your condition will be automatically sorted into the right folder without you having to do anything manually. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.